Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to organize your photos with Google Photos. Google Photos makes it very simple for you to organize any photos that you may have. If you have any photos in Google Photos, they will all be shown under the Photos tab once you log into your Google Photo. From here, you can organize them by, for example, creating albums. To create an album, what you need to do is go to Albums, and then from here you can create an album. You can choose a title and add the photos from your Google Photos there. You can also choose if you want to download these photos onto your device. Simply click on the photo you'd like to download, then click on the three dots at the top right, and then from here you can, for example, download it, or you can add it to an album. If you no longer want the photo, what you need to do is simply click on the little bin icon here, click move to trash. Then, since it's still going to be in your Google account, what you need to do is click on trash, and then empty trash. And that's it. You can also decide to put these into a locked folder, as you can see here on the left side. This means that you'll need to enter your Google password in order for you to be able to access this folder. In order to move photos to a locked folder, what you need to do is click on the photo you want to move, click on the three dots in the top right, and then click on Move to Locked Folder. And that's basically it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.